What if investing just $100 every month could eventually grow into hundreds of thousands of dollars? It sounds unbelievable, but that's the incredible power of compound interest.
Most people believe becoming rich requires a high income. In reality, the secret is letting your money work for you.
Imagine planting a tiny seed that grows into a massive tree over time. Compound interest works the same way.
Every dollar you invest earns money. Then those earnings begin earning even more money.
This simple concept has helped millions of investors build wealth over decades. The earlier you start investing, the more powerful compound interest becomes.
Let's compare two friends who invest the same amount but start at different ages.
Alex begins investing at age 20 with just $100 every month.
Meanwhile, Ben waits until age 35 before investing the exact same amount.
Both invest the same amount every month, but the results are dramatically different. The difference isn't how much they invested. The difference is time.
Time allows your returns to earn even more returns, creating exponential growth.
This is why investors often call compound interest the world's most powerful wealth-building tool.
Even small investments can grow into significant wealth when given enough time.
The biggest mistake isn't investing too little. It's waiting too long. It's waiting too long to begin.
Let's see what happens when you invest just $100 every month for 40 years. For 40 years.
During the first few years, the growth feels slow, and many people give up.
But after many years, your earnings begin generating even more earnings. This is the moment when compound interest truly begins working for you.
This is why patience is one of the greatest investments you can make.
Now compare two investors with different starting ages.
The first investor starts at age 25. The first investors at age 25.
The second investor waits until 45 before starting. The second 45 before starting.
Even if the second investor contributes more money, catching up becomes extremely difficult.
Time is the one investment advantage that money can never replace.
One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting for the perfect time to invest.
The perfect time rarely comes. Starting today is usually better than waiting.
Even small monthly investments can become surprisingly large over decades.
Consistency beats investing a large amount only once.
Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint.
Another silent enemy of your money is inflation. Egamity is inflation.
Investing gives your money a chance to outpace inflation over the long term.
That's why smart investors focus on long-term growth instead of short-term fear.
The greatest investment strategy is simple. Start early, stay consistent, and be patient. Successful investors don't chase quick profits. They focus on steady, long-term growth.
Markets rise and fall, but long-term investors stay focused on their goals.
Fear causes many people to sell too early and miss future growth.
Patience often rewards investors more than trying to perfectly time the market.
The secret isn't predicting the future, it's staying invested long enough to benefit from it. Every successful investor started with a single decision: to take the first step. Small actions, repeated every month, create extraordinary results over time.
Building wealth is more about consistency than intelligence.
The sooner you begin, the longer your money has to grow and multiply. Your future wealth depends on the choices you make today.
Imagine looking back 20 years from now and being proud that you started today.
The biggest risk isn't investing. It's missing years of compound growth. You don't need to be rich to start investing. You just need the courage to begin. You just need the courage to begin.
The best investment you can make today is investing in your future self.
Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's built one smart decision at a time. Start today, stay consistent,